Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is January the 27th, Thursday morning. As you guys can see, our account is sitting at $42,482 as of this morning. I did not take a trade yesterday, but I did take a trade on Monday as well as Tuesday. Tuesday was a 2 for 2, nothing too crazy. I think around 400 and some change. But all in all, still a green week. Hopefully we get some good trades in this morning. But yeah, let's get right into it. So this morning, obviously, I'm watching Tesla like always. But it's not really much of a setup going on Tesla for me. So we're gonna go over Netflix, Microsoft, and Google. As you guys can see here on the daily chart on the bottom right corner, Google is looking pretty bullish on the daily chart overall trend. We are very close to that all-time high. As you guys can see, we are pre-market. We are approaching that all-time high at 152. So basically what I'm looking for this is I'm looking for it to hold that yesterday's high, get us a pullback to that level, hold that level, and then we start to see some continuation here towards the upside. Looking for a break at that pre-market high as well as that all-time high, obviously possibly making a new all-time high here on Google. That is the game plan. Next we got Microsoft. Similar gameplay. Microsoft, as you guys can see, it's been pretty bullish here on the daily chart, but we made a new all-time high yesterday as well. So we made a new all-time high yesterday. We started getting some pullback later after hour, but here pre-market, you guys can see, is looking pretty bullish. We are retesting that yesterday's highs, which is that all-time high. So what I'm looking for this is we get a slight pullback here, retest the 404 key level, and we start getting some push towards the upside, looking for that all-time high break. Just looking for a quick move, quick scalp. Obviously you gotta let the price action set up, but overall trend here in the market as well, looking pretty bullish here in pre-market. So just trying to follow the trend, get that quick scalp in and out. Next I got Netflix. You guys can see Netflix here on the daily chart has been kind of consolidating, but overall trending towards the upside slightly. But as you guys can see, yesterday we had a huge gap up. The price opened up at over 540, and as you guys can see, had a little bit of run here after open, rejected off that 562, pulled back. As you guys can see, pulled back and slightly closed right below that 545-ish key level. But as you guys can see, stayed below that after hour, consolidated. Now we start getting got above that and start seeing some momentum here towards the upside. So what I'm looking for this is if there's some strength behind it, we start seeing some continuation. I'm looking for that pre-market high break, obviously, and letting the price action set up. But this is the main key level I'm looking for, is that yesterday's high. So that's basically the game plan. But obviously if it starts to sell off, which is, I mean, we do have this huge gap that we do need to fill. So obviously I'm not looking for it to fill today, but throughout the next couple of weeks or so, we might get that fill, or next month or whatnot. But we shall see, because overall we are making new all-time highs in the market and as well. So everything looking pretty bullish here on the bigger time frames. But that's the game plan all in all. So I'll see you guys once I find any setup. Hopefully we get some good trades in and make some money this week. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, there we go. I'm in 50 contract at 62 Google here, looking for a break at that pre-market high as well as that all-time high at 152. Market starting to pick up here towards the upside. There we go. We got to pop above that pre-market high. Come on, there we go. Give me a break at that all-time high. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take the last 10 contract off there. We are getting some major pullback here. All in all, we're up 423 on this trade, $423. So not a bad trade at all. But this one, I just don't like how it got below that 90 EMA as well as that VWAP. And yeah, so market also kind of getting some slight pullback, but not too shabby, not too shabby. I do like the way Netflix is setting up as well, so we might be able to get a trade on that one as well. So we shall see. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, not much really happening. We are trading sideways here on Netflix, so I'm not really seeing much of a setup. It's been about almost 30 minutes since the market opened. I got some stuff to do, so I don't want to sit around too long here on the market. But all in all, we did take that Google trade, getting 50 contract at 62, got out 40 at 76, and the last 10 at 57. All in all, made a profit of $423 on the day. That is almost 1% on our account. Put in our account at 42 of almost $43,000 on our account. So not a bad trade. Slow grind this week, obviously first week back, so we are kind of taking it easy and whatnot, just getting back into our sleeping routine and just all of our routine. But all in all, that's basically what it is. I am gonna be going on a trip this weekend, so you guys will be seeing me trade from my laptop next week, so we'll see how that goes. But once I get back from that, we're gonna be completely locked in and just grinding till we hit our goal. So I'm looking forward to that. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys made some money this morning. With that being said, peace.